Right, hello everyone. So, I thought I would update you on the ship because I must admit, I think it's all coming together finally. I'll get to the internals in a minute because they look amazing. Thank you, Josh. Um, so we've got the outside here, and looking, I would argue rather sleek, really nice. Got all the greebles on there finally. Air vents. Yeah, we've got about, I think it's 8 different greebles here to mix up the top. And more can just be added if needed, but let's be honest, development time isn't going to allow for that anymore. I'll get to decals in a second, but we've got the underneath here, which is pretty much the same thing, just with a little less going on. Just, because we might model some landing gear in the future, but again, we'll see if development time allows that. Yeah, so basically, fully modeled external hull. We've got decals here, which have we've got the ship name. I'd like to get the logo of whatever the name for NASA is that we're using. Can't quite remember it off the top of my head. And we've got some, keep clear zones just to kind of break up the body paneling a bit because, yes, this is a repeating texture. I mean, if you see this big panel again, big panel again. So we just got to use all these greebles, use all these textures, decals, just to break it up, and the more the better. So, now let's move on. Inside, Josh, you have done an amazing job on this, and I just want to say, I think this new cockpit has done a really nice job for your cockpit that you've modeled on the inside, Josh, because look at this view. I think that is amazing, and I think that is going to go really well. And there's a little side profile of the ship out the window because why not? I thought it would be. It just looks really good. It's finally giving spaceship vibes. As a side note, I will be working on getting the engines plugged in because they've currently got a UV problem. Surprise, surprise. I'll figure that out. I'll get the animations working. Some code will need to go into how they work, and then I'll probably do some VFX for the fire out the back. And I think at that point we'll have a really nice kind of visual representation of the ship finally. But yeah, really nice on the inside here, Josh. Literally only thing is these engines clip a bit, but I think that shouldn't matter as I believe the plan was to have an internal engine component link up to the back of these. So maybe I skip the engines for now and work those out once I've got the current tasks I need to do done. But it is really all coming together so nicely. And I'm just glad I've finally got the outside done because it has been a nightmare and a half, as you guys know. But it's just looking so good. I've got Charlie's textures, love these and the models. Obviously the doors, I love these little vents, the pipes. The pipes just add so much detail. It's unreal how much it's doing. Love these crates as well, and if we can get like a nice console up on the front here for piloting it, I think it's just going to look absolutely wonderful. So yeah, and again, I know I took in a bit of extra time to do this cockpit, but I just personally believe, and I think you guys can agree, compared to the old version, which I believe it's back here, side by side, I just think that is just so much better. So I'm just really happy with how it's all looking. So yeah, thought I'd update you guys. Once again, here's that lovely view. Try and ignore that one. That's a debug one. But yeah, as I say, I'm loving it. So just keep everything going as it's going because we're doing really good from what I can tell. Yeah, that's all I got. See you guys.